This is why so many people stay miserable. Can I tell you something that took years to understand? Most people are not miserable because they have bad lives. They got uncomfortable being unhappy. Think about it. People stay in jobs they detest for decades. Relationships feel lonely. Stay fat while telling themselves, I'll start Monday. Stay broke while saying, maybe next year I'll get a 401k. Not because they want to, because misery becomes familiar. Here's the scary part. The longer you stay there, the more normal it becomes. I know this, 10 years. Time in my life, I blamed everybody else. Blamed the circumstances, my upbringing, my ex-wife, other people, the economy, the president, bad luck. Deep down though, I knew exactly nothing was gonna happen until I changed. The hell of a thing to admit after 50 years. Taking responsibility sucks. Staying miserable is even more sucky. Your comfort zone doesn't care if you're happy. It wants you to be the same. That's why change is so scary. That's why starting over feels impossible. That's why so many people never even try. Not because you can't. Fear. Trading familiar misery for uplifting possibilities. The day I stopped making excuses, everything changed. Not the day, one little decision at a time. One walk, a better meal, an honest conversation with myself. Tiny steps, tiny steps, tiny steps. Today, lost 70 pounds. Health is better, no insulin, building a future, online business I'm excited about. Not because everything became easy, hell no. I stopped accepting that misery as normal. What have you been tolerating? What do you know you need to change? The life you want is on the other side of uncomfortable work. If you're ready to stop settling, type I'm in so I can see you. If you want somebody to help walk with you, change your life, some accountability, I'm an accountability coach. I help people every day. And for as little as $50 a week, we can get you on the right track. It doesn't have to be $1 million. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you following along. Y'all have changed my life. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you. And I'll see you guys on the next one.